Need to expand your Google Workspace by adding another domain? This quick walkthrough covers adding a new domain, verifying ownership, updating user emails, and making sure everything works. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console. Once you're in, head to the Account section. From there, open Domains, then choose Manage Domains. This is where you'll see your current setup and where you can add more domains to your organization. Click Add a Domain. When prompted, enter the new domain name exactly as it's registered. Choose Secondary Domain. A secondary domain is separate from your primary and can have its own users and addresses, which is ideal when you're operating multiple brands or business units. Follow the on-screen steps to verify ownership with your domain host. Typically, Google provides a TXT record to add to your DNS. Keep the Admin Console tab open. Sign in to your registrar or DNS provider in another tab, add the record, and save. DNS changes can take a few minutes to propagate, so don't worry if verification doesn't pass instantly. Wait a bit and retry. Back in the Admin Console, click Add Domain and start verification to trigger the check. Once Google confirms ownership, your new secondary domain is active. If you want this new domain to be the default for your organization, return to the Domains list and select Change Primary Domain. Pick the new domain and confirm. This updates the organization's primary address domain. Your users' data, files, and groups remain intact, but some services may prompt users to sign in again under the updated address. Next, go to Users in the Admin Console. Select the users who should use the new domain and change their primary email address to that domain. This updates their sign-in and email identity. Make sure you communicate this change to your team so they know which address to use moving forward. Finally, update your domain host's MX records for the new domain to point to Google so email delivers correctly. Replace any existing MX entries with Google's mail server values provided in the Admin Console. After saving, allow time for DNS to propagate. You can test by sending a message to an address on the new domain and watching for successful delivery. That's it. You've added the domain, verified it, optionally made it primary, updated users, and ensured mail delivery.